Hello, boys and girls. I just wanted to come on today and let you know that I miss you all very much. I love you all very much. And I'm super, super proud of all the hard work that you have been doing while we have been remote learning. You guys are rock stars. Thank you for always completing your work and turning it in so I can check it to make sure that you are still learning and ready to go to third grade. As the school year comes to an end, this is your last Friday of having assignments to complete. And I really didn't even give you many assignments to complete because I want you to enjoy this time, your last few days as a second grader, because in a couple of more days, you will officially be a third grader. So congratulations on completing second grade, and especially completing second grade at home. I know it hasn't always been easy, but I'm proud of you for getting up every day, putting your best foot forward to get your work completed. Make sure that you hang around for Monday and Tuesday of next week so we can try to find a good way to end our school year on Zoom. Maybe playing a game or having another movie. Okay, maybe not during the night, but during the day. But I just wanted to come on here and tell you again how very proud I am of you, and how much I miss you. And also give your parents a pat on the back because they have been doing a good job making sure that you are getting your work finished, making sure that you are getting online and turning in your work to me. So give your parents a big hug and a pat on the back from Miss Banks. I love you all. I miss you all so, so very much. And you will always be my babies. Bye.